Just lock in. Holy crap! Oh, that's all right. That's an easy one to fix. Yep. Okay, there's like minimal snow. This is good. All right, let's try a new method. Not all the way. Oh, there we go.
You get it?
Yep.
Okay.
Now that's some improvement. Holy crap! Wow! Pizza! Oh my gosh! Wow! 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 We're good. Oh, poop.
Well, that's one way to do it. You okay?
Yeah, and I didn't lose a ski. That was my goal. All right. Yep. That's one way to stop. Whoa! Shoot. That was close. Oh, shoot. Whoopsies. Holy shoot.
Oh, we kept go. Okay.
Whoa! I know you saw that jump on accident. Now that was gnarly.
Well done.
Yep. Holy shoot. Oh my gosh. Damn it. Why is this so hard? Alright. Yeah, look at me. Alright, so how do I stand up? Okay, yeah. Okay. All good. Okay. Yep, I just think I got it. This is really hard.
That's what she said.
That's funny. Oh my gosh, my falling compilation is gonna be so long. Oh, nothing. I didn't fall. What are you talking about? So this is like off terrain. This is like some crazy terrain. Like, look at that. Whoa! I am totally meaning to be moving right now. Ah! I'm scared I'm gonna go up the mountain. Holy shoot! Oh no! We're good. We're good. We're good. That is good. Oh. Oh yeah. I just gotta be ready to zoom once I get up. You're dead. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna. All right. I'm going. Okay. All right. Check it.
Do it.
Oh yeah, did you see that? I was going 4 miles an hour. Maybe less. Whee!
Yeah, I'm fine.
Whoa, this is like really hard right here.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. On your left. Oh! You good? Yep. Just let gravity take you sometimes. You didn't go off the mountain. Yeah, all right?
Oh yeah.
No, you don't. Turn your feet sideways. I would have turned them the other way. Away from the drop off. Remember, if you ski to, like, in this case, if you ski to the right, you hit powder. If you ski to your left, you go bye-bye.
Yeah.
And I don't want to have to explain to anybody why I lost Emma
Right.
because she went off the side of the mountain.
I'm going.
Hang on.
Okay.
Or not. Yeah, hold it, there's 2 more people.
Okay.
Oh, y'all breaking? Okay, never mind, you're good. We were gonna let you go ahead. No, I get you. Like, if it does, like, it's my time to go, it's my time to go. I ain't too worried about it. Y'all have a good one.